Hey, I'm back. Look what I have here. These are the wheels, the front wheel for the 03 Wombat project. The nice polished Acront lipped rim, the burnish tub, and now I'm getting ready to install the tire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Baja no pinch tool. I use this on many of my other bikes. As you can see in the background, I have modern bikes also, and in order to keep from breaking knuckles and changing these tires, I use the Baja no pinch. And it works really well with the old style aluminum, especially the soft rims. I don't want to damage the rims with the tire irons. So let's see how it works. Alright, I have the tire right here. I'm going to mount it with the tube already in the tire. Okay, I'm going to use the Windex for lube. I'm going to pull the tube out. I'm going to gently push the bead over. There we go. First bead's on. Just like that.